Not sure how to manage persistent depressive disorder, better known as dysthymia or high functioning depression? Well, by the end of this video, you will have my expert advice on how to navigate depression and live your best life. For expert tips and tricks on mental health so that you can be your best self, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time I put out a new video, Mondays and Thursdays. And don't forget to hit the bell. If this is the first time that you're visiting my channel, welcome. If you're a return watcher, welcome back. I am Dr. Michelle Scoggins, a licensed clinical psychologist, and I've worked with many clients who have had depression, some who have had depression for many years before seeing me. I have helped them to understand their depression and have helped them recover with these same tips that I'm going to show you today. Now it's your turn to feel better. Let's get started. I'm going to talk about 5 things that I often use in therapy to help my clients feel relief from depression. Number 1, set up a routine. Making sure that you break down large tasks into much smaller tasks so that they don't feel so overwhelming. Oftentimes, overwhelm leads to feelings of inadequacy and thereby can result in depression. Number 2, be realistic. Even people without dysthymia feel a little kind of down or low on some days. So you can't expect that every day is your A-game day. Number 3, I'm going to give you a mnemonic to help you remember little small tasks that you can do to help you when you feel depressed. So the mnemonic is HELP. The H stands for habits. Create daily habits and mix in some fun, like some hobbies, or maybe you're going to binge watch a favorite TV show of yours, but making sure that those habits stay consistent every day. The E stands for exercise. Getting moving is one of the best ways to help reduce depression because the movement gets your blood flowing and it releases chemicals in your brain that are responsible for happiness. The L is for love yourself. Oftentimes, self-hatred is at the center of depression because if we don't feel good about ourselves, it's really hard for our moods to be good. And positive moods are often tied to positive thoughts. So that leads me into the P part of it, which is positive thoughts. So surround yourself with positive thinking, even on days when you don't feel so positive. The positivity can help you improve your mood. Comment yes below, and if you feel comfortable, tell me a little bit about what has helped you with your depression. And so far, if any of these tips have helped you. Tip number 4 is to join a support group. What better way to understand your depression and not feel alone, but to join other people like yourself? There are a lot of support groups out there. You can Google them around or you can find some of them in Facebook. Tip number 5, and one that I feel is very, very important, is to stay away from drugs and alcohol. Drugs and alcohol have the tendency to alleviate some of the pain in the forefront, like right now, what's going on. However, over time, especially with alcohol is a depressant, which can make the symptoms of depression even worse. Now you have a good tool bag set up to help you with your depression, but what happens when depression creeps up out of nowhere? Well, I got the answer for you. I added below a worksheet that will help you to track your moods every day and some little cool things that you can add in, like habits and positive thinking, so that you can navigate your depression and look at things that will help you and to kind of catch it when it's coming so that you can get in front of it. This will help you keep on top of your depression so that you can be prepared when depression returns. Also, if you want monthly tips specific to mental health, you can join my mailing list as I send out a monthly newsletter. Also, I have linked below some other videos on depression so you can continue to fill your tool bag. If you like this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and share with all of your friends and family so that they can be prepared when depression might hit them. And until next time, guys, be prepared, use your depression worksheet, and enjoy life.